And this is a tubeless tire that wheelbarrow doesn't deserve a lot of money invested in it, but can be salvaged, hopefully. It's an old one. I need to add a bolt on that one. But basically the seam has been retouched. It's a tubeless tire and it will not hold the pressure anymore. And according to the seam, you won't be able to get a proper seal anymore to keep the air pressure in it. So we're going to test the great stuff foam. Some people say it is working. I want to give it a test. That's the last chance on it. You can replace the tire for 20 to 30 bucks, but you can get a brand new wheelbarrow for about $59. So it's not worth it. So let's try that, and if not, it will be a new one. To shake it for 60 seconds. I think one can should be plenty enough if it works or not. So be careful, this product, the sealant is extremely sticky, so put some glasses for sure. You can buy that in your local home improvement store. I paid that about $3.50, tax included, so it's pretty cheap. Check that. So I put it inside at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the optimal curing temperature. And it dried very well, or it cured very well. It is super stiff. You see how the light color is what's squared out of the hole first, and then it's like more yellowish for whatever reason. It did weird concretion. The second hole starts squirting down, and then it spit out and start going up and did weird shape. But anyway, that's not the subject. Looks like for $3.36, it's an amazing fix. It is super stiff, so I'm going to remove the excess, clean that, even on a wheelbarrow. You can use a spatula. It looks super strong. It's definitely a success. So let's test that.